has been actually in our bucket list for so long. We are the innovator and developer of this biomaterial that has packaging potential, because the kind of connections and marketing we are able to get through this platform, I think it would take us months or a year.
Hi guys, welcome to the Beehive podcast. Today we are at the Bengaluru Tech Summit and I have Payal here with me. Hi Payal, how are you?
Hi, very nice to meet you.
Welcome to the Beehive podcast.
Thank you.
Would you like to introduce yourself and a little bit about your brand to the viewers that are watching?
I am Payal Patel. I'm founder and director at Agropack Private Limited. So we are the innovator and developer of this biomaterial that has packaging potential.
Wow.
Currently in the cosmetic industries, we have developed for that, and we utilize coconut shells.
So what brings you to the Tech Summit?
So Tech Summit has been actually in our bucket list for so long. We actually this year won Mysore Blue competition. So through them, we have got a fully sponsored stall.
That's amazing.
With a perspective, we were very excited to present here at Bangalore Tech Summit, because the kind of connections and marketing we are able to get through this platform, I think it would take us months or a year to do this kind of marketing.
So is there any other tech innovations or something that you've seen at the summit that you think you can adapt into your brand?
Oh, a lot. Actually, I saw one of the founders. He's the youngest founder, and he has a QR code based, visiting cards can be scanned. You don't need to manually enter it in your directory. And there was interesting startup, especially in AI, that I came across.
So have you ever been to Beehive before?
When I was in my last company, we had a visit there. So we did visit the place over there. And it was great experience in the working environment. We loved it actually. And it's been a while, so I feel like visiting again, looking at the environment again. But it has been a great experience.
So how similar is the actual center to the experience center here at the summit today?
Oh, a lot similar. The kind of theme, aesthetic that you maintain at the workplace, it's very similar. And that's what makes me feel, I think this is much more updated. I do need to visit again to have experience.
Oh, yay! One last question. What's one piece of advice that you'd want to give our viewers watching out there?
I think a piece of advice I would say is do visit Bangalore Tech Summit for the founders. Founders, they work in silos all around the earth. They don't have the community, the kind of community, and especially for me, the kind of time the R&D this took to come up with the product. It was a very isolating experience. Until you build the product, you don't go out in the market.
True.
Right? So, but when you come to a summits like this and you meet fellow founders who are actually building something new, which has a global scale, then you get that kind of confidence that yes, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And that's what I would advise, that network at least once in a quarter, so that you find the right people and maybe they will bring right connections.
I completely agree. I think your network is also super important, and that's something that's going to keep you going. I can't wait to see more of this and more of everywhere. I'm super excited for this. All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time out and being on the podcast. Thank you.